All right, so I am sending you this video because we talked about the Legacy Direct box that I have been using for my TV, and I just wanted to give you a quick little review of exactly what it does. So this is your main screen right here. So right now I have it muted just because this lady on this TV is chatting. Actually, let me back up a little bit. So I have right here is our regular remote. What I also have been using is this really awesome wireless keyboard. It's just your basic wireless keyboard. And then I've got the mouse. You can use the remote, it works great, but I also find that using this keyboard is super helpful. So I just wanted to show you kind of a few things. I mean, over here you have all your settings, your apps, and that's just, you could get over here to your app market. And this is where you can download the app of like Google Play, your Google Store, Chrome, Spotify, there's Pandora. Those are just some of your recommended apps right here. And then you can go like to your music, and there's a few other ones. And these are the ones you can download. I haven't downloaded really any yet as I'm still learning. And when you do download them, you can add them to these squares down here at the bottom. Now the TV part. So this is when you click on here and you come to the screen and you're going to click on my VIP experience. So here are a bunch of apps, and you say if you already have DirecTV, you can log into it and use it here, or if you already have a Hulu account, you could sign in and use it here. But by having this system, you really don't need Hulu, you don't need to pay for Netflix, you don't need to pay for YouTube Red or any Showtime. Everything you want to watch is already here under Live Play. So now we have Live Play coming up. I'm gonna unmute this. And here are a few options. So let's start with Live TV. So say if you wanna watch, we had a recent snowstorm. You can come onto this and they have almost all of the news stations here. So for instance, ABC for our area is, where is it? What is it? WTNH. So I can click on that. And there it is. This is your news station, local. There's, they have ABC, Fox, NBC, anything you kind of want to watch there. And that's live time, by the way. Now, you want to say watch, you have a show coming on this afternoon. You're going to want to come up to USA, click on that. And hopefully, let's see, I use some mouse over here. Oh, there. Okay, so say if you are like myself, you like Lifetime Movie Network. So I'm going to scroll down here, and you are going to be over here. Right here, we have Lifetime Movie Network. So I can click on that, give it a moment to load up, and Lifetime Movie Network, right here, live time. Let's see if there's another station you like. Let's see. You say, for instance, like the History Channel. There it is, History Channel, live time. No more cable. It's all right here for you. All right, and then like TBS, I mean, it's got tons and tons and tons of stations you can choose from. There's actually 332 stations you can choose to watch live time. That includes CNN, the CW, Discovery channels, Disney Junior if you have kids. If you're like DIY, the DIY network, ESPN, Food Network, Fox, FX, I mean, everything you can imagine you can watch, it will be here. All right, and you also have Lifetime. Just kind of scrolling down, and then you have your Showtimes, which I believe it's Shameless is on Showtime, so you can watch that live. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back a step, and we're gonna go into, say, TV episodes. I'm going to come on over here to USA, and here are just a bunch of random ones. But when you come down here, you're going to see this box that says extras. You click on that, click on it again. This is going to bring you to your unlimited shows. Say if you have a show that you like that is, say for instance, Netflix sponsored, that only Netflix users can watch, you can click up here and come here and hit Netflix list, and it's going to bring you up all the Netflix only shows. You can click on the list. They also have it for Hulu, YouTube Red. You can also do iDrama, anything. You can also type in a name and it can come up that way. It is also the same when you go back for movies. So come on over here, click on movies, click on USA. And actually I want to show you something. So now, let's say 50 Shades of Grey just recently came out. It's still in theaters. So I'm going to type up here 50 Shades of Grey. Hit enter. Okay, actually I'm going to hit search. You know what? I forgot to go into the extras. That's right. So obviously here on the first screen you have all of some random movies. Click on extras and that's actually going to bring you into the full web of everything. So let's type in 50 Shades of Grey. That's on TV, so there's no TV show. Over here, click movies and look at the 350 Shades of Grey here. You click on that and you can actually watch it. If you are a big fan of This Is Us, click on here, click on season, and here's season 1 and season 2. And then I can come up on the top of the screen and pick any of the episodes I want. So let's say this was what, last week's, or this, it was aired on the 6th, so 2 days ago. I didn't watch this one yet. I'm gonna hit click on it, give it a moment to think. And then a bunch of different ones you can stream come up. So I'm going to click on this first one, hit play, give it a moment to think, and there you go. No buffering, nothing. It's wonderful. Everything you can think of is on here. It does have a fast forward option, the rewind, pause, just like your regular TV. So now you can get rid of your expensive cable bill. You can stop paying for Hulu. You can stop paying for Sling TV, your Netflix. All of that can go because everything you want is right here with Legacy Direct TV. So if you are interested in getting more information, let me know. I can also post my link below or send it to you in a message depending which way you are watching this video. There are also probably a bunch of other things that we can do on this that I have not yet figured out. It seems to be very endless. You know what? Actually, I'm going to show you a few other little quick things on here. So I'm going to come over to Net Resources. All right. I don't want parental control on. And mind you, when you get this box, it's as easy as connecting it to a power source and an HDMI cord in the back of the TV. That's it. Okay. Actually, we'll go on extras. There's also fitness videos here that are available to watch and try. And then there's some educational stuff where you can learn another language, which I think is fantastic. I definitely plan on plugging into this at some point. There's also a bunch of cooking shows, and then there's live gaming. Now, when we first came in, you came up to this B-Vision versus My VIP experience. So the My VIP experience is $19.99 a month. It can auto bill every 28 days, or you can do the $49 a month plan, which allows you to use up to 3 of the Legacy Direct boxes, and it also allows you to have an income opportunity there. If that's something you're interested in, we can also go into that a little bit down the road. So I'm going to come on over here to the B Vision. What this is, it gives you an opportunity where you can have your own channel, you can run ads, it does everything through the B Vision. It's their own little system. So I'm going to come on over here to personal development because I do like my personal development. Right now they've got two different gentlemen who have different videos you can watch. Again, it's just going to keep on growing as time goes on. And I do know there is a way to get into a bunch of different games. I mean, like we're talking Nintendo and Atari type of games that you can play. There's also an option where you can get a remote control to go a controller to use with this system through my link. Let's see, favorite Snow movies. I'm gonna have to figure out again how to get into those, but there is a way to get into your video games. Okay. Exit out of here. I wonder if there's a way. Oh, and there's also karaoke available on this. You can get a microphone to do the karaoke with if you got friends any company coming over. Another great thing about this is it can work off of a hotspot. It is quick and easy to bring with you if you're going on a vacation, going to visit family. You can also, it's small, so it's easy and quick and portable. And here we go. Here are all the games. My favorite is Frogger. So we're going on down to F and Frogger right there. Bunch of games you can play. So which I think is pretty fantastic. Okay. Let's get out of here. Using the wrong keyboard. Okay. Ooh, weird. That's not letting me out of here. There we go.
Women are killed.
Okay, so the wrong button. So there we go. That's pretty much what the Legacy Direct system is, how it works. It's pretty easy. It's super user friendly, especially if you have somebody older who really wasn't sure how to use the Fire Stick, the Kodi version. That can be very complicated and very difficult to understand and how to get through to see what is available to watch. But, the system I don't believe can be any easier. It's faster, doesn't buff, and everything you want is right here. So if you want more info or you're ready to buy this and get it started, let's chat and we can go from there. Thanks, guys.